Okay, the house was built in 1802 by Abraham Walter. He was the builder. And it's been in my family name for 6 generations. Okay, there's the house. That smaller part was added on after 1802. Poplar trees, there's a big walnut tree. My wife doesn't like that. Barn, tractor shed, equipment shed, some storage shed, and these are big old maple trees that we planted 20 years ago. We never thought they'd get this big, but they did. Here's a chicken coop my wife made for the chickens. These are blackberry bushes here. They're pretty loaded this year. And these are blueberries. There's 300 blueberry plants here. And they're pretty loaded this year. Out back, I'll give you a quick rundown here. These are my wife's horses. They're getting out of the sun there. There's a little canopy to shade them. And that pasture down there is ours. And there's 10 acres in all here in Montour County. And the other 7 acres are across the road. These are the blueberries. 300 plants. And I'm in the process of weeding right now, which is a chore. And this is sweet corn. This is my land here too, sweet corn. 4 different plantings, and up there is spelts, which is used for horses. It's a horse feed. So this is it. This is the farm. Okay.